Someone once wrote that we do not see the world as it is, we see the world as we are. Our consciousness absorbs all the stimuli of that world that surround us through the senses. It's stimuli that trigger different sensations. However, the interpretation, analysis, and order of these does not depend exclusively on the senses, but also on our brain. The word brain comes from the Latin cerebrum, which means something like what is where on the head. Two hemispheres with more than 86 billion neurons synapsing each other. Without a doubt, the most amazing quantum computer in the known universe, with a flexible consciousness made up of all experiences of the past, present, and possible future of ourselves being part of humanity. Science, communication, ingenuity, knowledge, consolidation, understanding, self-control, creativity, mental clarity, optimal brain function, memory enhancement, neurogenesis, cognitive reserve, energetic creation, marginal returns, entropy, invention, wisdom, advancement, development, excellence, mastery, and evolution. Words that only have value when they are brought to life, when we bring our brain to its maximum virtue, when our brain stops being ordinary and becomes a deep brain. A new way of perceiving and changing the world by challenging erroneous operations in our field of actions with brain hacks, games, and implausible experiments. We will reveal the reality behind our reality, to understand the environment like never before and take our brain to the deepest capacity. Brain. Cognitive expansion.